Okay, so here we are, right? You know, one of the greatest challenges when you're building your own layout like this is where do you stop with the details? But isn't that great though about the model railroad? It's just, you know, the old cliche, they're never finished. Well, that's relative to every single unique situation, right? You can create whatever you want, you know, prototype inspired, proto freelance, I don't care what you want to call it. It's your railroad, and when you detail it out and you build character and immersion into it, the operations takes on a whole new level. Like, it's amazing that dropping one car and then picking it up 2 or 3 days later, like in the real world on your layout, can actually feel really cool. So operations is like, it's a relative term, right? You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't, like if you like to do, you know, highline foaming class 1, then that's great, but not everybody can do that. And not everybody wants to do that either, you know? Like, you can model a railroad to the nth degree on a shelf layout like this and still do the same thing and still get the same satisfaction. But you know what? I like it both ways. I liked it when it was sort of barren for a while, but then I realized now this particular brewery has more purpose. So I can drop barley, right? And I can bring an acid car in once in a while. So now there's 2 purposes, right? Because they would need to clean out the silo every now and again because of the buildup of mildew and moisture and stuff like that, and they would flush them out, right? So, and then you can see how I added the, you know, the sump pump and everything, so they can drop or pull it out into the top of the tanker to, you know, to purge it out. It's just such an awesome industry now, right? And then I can roll in any number or any kind of a hopper with barley or grain or whatever they need and drop it down into the hatches here, into the silo, and it gets siphoned up. There's the air dryer and the vacuum system. So I'm really, really happy now. It finally evolved. And like I say, I didn't know that. I didn't know that that's what I would do. You know, you can't plan in all this stuff. You just get a general plan and you just go ahead with it and you evolve it. And you don't abandon, you know, like you don't rush and say, okay, it's done, right? Like, you just don't know if it's done. Like, it just, you know, like, you just can add more. You can revise. You can revise your industries. Right? But you might not come up with an idea right away. But I really love this now. It's just a really cool spot. So I'll give you a little bit, I'll jump off the camera and give you a little bit of a sort of walk around view of it, okay? Okay, so thanks for watching, and it was a fun build, and I really like the way this is panned out now. It's just added all that extra level of operation to River Road, and I love it. So thanks for watching, happy modeling, and I hope that you have a great day.